The other question that I get from many people, many parents, many students even these days is that, is there a certification for music? Ed Sheeran, for example, is not academically trained person, but how does he create such wonderful music? And why do people receive that in the first place, knowing that he's not certified? They should have rejected him, right? But that's not the point. The point is, his music makes you feel good, and that's about it. There's nothing that matters other than that. So don't worry too much about this, certification, especially when it comes to music. What matters here is your intuition, is your gut feeling, is your satisfaction. Do you hear some music and feel good about it? Justin Bieber is not academically trained. I'm not against that guy. I think he's fair and he's doing his job, and he presented it in a way that people liked, and he got his luck. I think he's doing great. But it's a point to be noted that a non-academically trained person becomes so famous, his songs become so appreciable. A lot of people that you see in Indian Idols or American Idol and all these talent shows, Britain Got Talent, are not certified. Nobody cares if you're certified or not. It's like certifying a flower. Can you certify a flower? Isn't that funny? If somebody, you go to the florist, let's say you want to gift a bouquet of flowers to someone, and there's this, you can see it for yourself, right? You're attracted by some flowers, their beauty, their freshness. And you're about to reach, and you tell the shopkeeper, give me these flowers, and the shopkeeper says, sir, these flowers are certified. Here. Only these, if you buy, you'll benefit. Don't buy them. Does it convince you? Tell me. What are you going to do with the certificate? Who cares if you have a certificate or not? Let's suppose you walk with your certificate to do something with the certificate. What are you going to do? You're going to approach a music director, you're going to approach a conductor, you're going to approach who? You're going to work with a band, you're going to produce some songs, you're going to compose something. Tell me where exactly your music certificate is coming to help you. Even if you want to teach music, before you present your certificate, people are going to ask you, okay, show me what you have. Play this, or sing, or show your talent. It's easy for anyone to print a certificate with lovely design and give it to you. What are you going to get out of it? Let me tell you why certificates exist and what is the real meaning behind certificates. Then you might understand the philosophy of it. Governing bodies exist to prevent harm, prevent loss. For example, medical profession. It's extreme. It's the question of life and death of someone. You can't just joke around. You can't just say, I know some things about medical procedures. I'm going to do it without a certificate. Then the law does not allow you to do that. And it's important that there is a governing body that says you got to be certified to be treating patients. Same goes with engineering. A lot of buildings, they have to build great many structures and minute details. You got to be very, very meticulous in that. And there you need a certificate. Certificate is nothing but it's the approval by a governing body. Otherwise, in performing arts, what matters is what do you have as an art? How much can you show? How much can you perform? That in itself is certificate. So please be very thoughtful about this certificate thing. When it comes to arts, it does not matter at all. I hope that answered your question. Until next time.